Look what I got! It's strawberry crepe! It's almost bigger than my head. KON'CHA! Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa and today we are in Harajuku! Takeshita Street is a thriving hub for all things Tokyo kawaii culture. There are many shops selling cute accessories and clothing, and all sorts of yummy dessert choices to fit in between your visits. The best time to visit Takeshita Street is on weekdays, because on weekends this place becomes incredibly packed. Totti Candy Factory is a store known for their gigantic, bigger-than-your-head cotton candy, which has become really popular on Instagram. So this is called the Harajuku Rainbow, and you can only buy it in Harajuku. Look at this cotton candy, it's almost bigger than my head. So I'm gonna try it now. Whoa. And, okay, it's very hard to eat. Okay. So, it's very sweet and blueberry flavor. I really like the color. And I think each color has different flavor. I tried the pink one now. Strawberry flavor and very sweet. There are also two other stores in Kobe and Nagoya City. Harajuku's Laforet and Tokyu Plaza are two of Tokyo's well-known department stores located across the road from one another. Laforet is the heart of Harajuku youth fashion, whereas Tokyu Plaza is Harajuku's fashion theme park. Even if you're not into shopping, Laforet is a great place to see the latest Japanese fashion trends while taking in the sights and sounds of youth culture in action. Gomaya Kuki is a shop that's well known for its sesame ice cream, and today we are going to try some. Wow, look at this! Like, it doesn't look like ice cream, right? This is my first time trying fried ice cream, so actually it's very weird. Like on the top of it it's sesame, and then they have the fried ice cream in. It's really good. It's a little bit warm outside, and inside the ice cream is very melty, and it's black sesame flavor. It's a little bit crunchy, so I really can recommend this. So we bought the same one but with a different flavor. So this is white sesame, and I'm gonna try it now. Itadakimasu. This is also very good. I think it's a little bit similar to kind of a vanilla flavor. I really like that. So because the black sesame is a little bit more rich in the flavor. Between the black one and the white one, actually I prefer the black one. So at the moment we are at the Cat Street. It's one side street of the 𝗏𝗏𝗕𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗠𝗏𝗦, and the 𝗏𝗏𝗕𝗏𝗏 street is very high brand, very expensive, but this area is with little restaurants and also brand shops, but I think a little bit cheaper than the flagship stores at the 𝗏𝗏𝗕𝗏𝗏. And if you follow the street, you can easily get to Shibuya. So it's a really nice way to go to Shibuya, like just have a walk and enjoy the shops and maybe stop at a good restaurant here. Another really popular place to stop by on Takeshita Street is Marion Crepes. This has been in Harajuku since 1977, and it's famous for their Japanese-style crepes with a wide selection of over 70 combinations. Look what I got! It's strawberry crepe! It's very good. The whipped cream is very soft, and then you have some strawberry marmalade, and also the strawberry is very fresh. This is the most famous crepe shop in Harajuku. Make sure you leave some room in your stomach for this awesome crepes. Animal cafes are popular all over Japan, but at Harry's Hedgehog Cafe in Harajuku, you can experience a unique cafe and learn how to respectfully handle a hedgehog.
Thank you for visiting today. I'll be showing you how to pick up the hedgehog. Scoop underneath with both hands and lift slowly and hold with both hands above the tank.
Yeah.
They like small areas. You kind of cup your hands around them, they feel more secure. And she's getting comfortable right now.
You want to wake up? Oh no. Like I never hold a hedgehog before. Like I just saw them like very far away, like running somewhere, but this is really cute. So these are the baits for the hedgehogs and I want to feed the hedgehog now. Yeah, let's try it. As well as experiencing a great time with the hedgehogs, you can also buy a variety of hedgehog-themed items to take home. So this is Ura-Harajuku. It's also the back streets of Harajuku, and you can find here a lot of vintage shops and alternative cafes, and it's really nice here because it's a little bit far away from the crowd. Like the Takeshita Street is very noisy, but here you can relax, you can go shopping, and there are also some nice designer shops, so I really recommend this area. Harajuku was largely destroyed by the World War II Tokyo air raids in 1945. Through Western influence via Allied force occupation and the 1964 Olympics, Harajuku quickly became Tokyo's fashion capital. Over the years, the area started to lose its fashionable status, as once pedestrianized streets became roadways, changing the vibe of the area. While much of Harajuku today has become heavily commercialized, independent artists and the boutique culture of Harajuku can still be found hidden in its back streets. Now we are in front of the entrance of the Meiji Jingu shrine, and you cannot say you've been to Harajuku if you not visit this shrine. It's quite nice with all the nature, and it's very huge, so even there are many people, it's quite calm, and the trees are very old, so I like the nature. And just coming for a walk is also very nice. These barrels are called sakedaru, or in English, sake barrels, but they are all actually empty. Each of these 201 72-liter barrels bear the name and symbol of the donating rice wine brewery. This place has become a very popular photo spot with tourists. Every year, 10 million people pass through these gates. Can you believe that? Of the 10 million visitors the shrine receives each year, an estimated 3 million visits to the shrine in just the first few days of the new year. Every time when I went traveling to Japan, I went to this shrine and I bought some omamori, so it's also a quite good souvenir. November 1st, 2020 will mark the shrine's 100th anniversary since its founding in 1920. Celebrations will be held between October 30th through to November 1st, so maybe give the shrine a visit if you will be in Tokyo around that time. Now we are at Harajuku Station! We put Harajuku Station at number 1 because this historic monument won't be around for much longer. The original wooden building was built in 1924 and is the oldest of JR East's wooden station buildings, built in the European half-timbered style. There has been a strong call for the relocation and preservation of the historic building. However, unfortunately the station no longer meets today's fire safety standards, leaving no other option but to tear it down. So behind me is the Harajuku Station, and this is the new building and this is the old building. The new building is gonna be open soon in March 21st. The old building will disappear after the Olympics. Definitely check it out because it's a very nice historical building. The new 2-story station building will have more ticket gates and a new entrance leading to the Meiji Jingu shrine to better cope with the large crowd capacity, which you will know what we mean if you've ever visited Harajuku on a weekend. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know your favorite Harajuku spots in the comments. If you like this sort of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button as we have much more content to come.